Hello everyone, welcome back. We are going to be doing another quick meal prep edition. Here I have some broccoli and cauliflower. I'm going to put this into the steam basket. We're only going to let it steam for about 3 to 4 minutes because we want it to cook halfway through. I'm going to finish it in the pan when I'm done. And voila, our vegetables are done. For the next step, you're going to take your already seasoned chicken breast. You're going to put it into a cast iron pan with extra virgin olive oil. You're going to sear it for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Once the chicken breast is done, you're going to set it to the side, leaving the remaining fond, which is the flavor, in the pan because we are going to saute our half-steamed vegetables in that mix. This is what we call fond. Has a lot of flavor. So what I like to do is I like to saute my half-steamed veggies into this mix. Therefore, you don't have to season your veggies. Portion your food. I like to add some pepitas. Oops, lost one. Ladies and gentlemen, that's my 2-day meal prep. I try not to overdo it because sometimes food goes to waste. So I try to prep every 2 to 3 days out.